Hi, it's time for another Whimsy Stamps reveal, and today I am sharing the brand new Space Minions die set. Now this is actually one die, but it cuts out these four adorable little aliens. Here you can see it in the package. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at the die itself. So as you can see, it's one solid die, and it measures a little bit smaller than 2.5 inches wide by 2 inches tall. So you can see here on my grid mat, it's a small size to create these tiny little aliens. They're just so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and run it through my die cut machine with some purple cardstock. I just thought that would be a fun color to see these cute little guys. And the eyes do also cut out, so you could cut that out of a different color, or you could use some fun pattern paper like I did on this card. Here you can see my four little aliens on my Slimline card, and also a fun surprise, I used my dies on some Shrinky Dinks and created my own little alien shaker bits. I'm going to have a video later this month on the Whimsy Stamps channel where you can see how I created this Slimline shaker card, so make sure you come back and check it out. You can find links to all of the brand new products down below in the description box, as well as links to our social media sites, including our Facebook group, where you can find more inspiration for this new release. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have some fun shopping today. Bye!